Hello everyone, it's Monica here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a birthday card, a step-by-step tutorial for a birthday card. Actually, I was asked to do this card by my friend and I already showed her the design, so I thought I would just switch on the camera so I can have some more content on my channel. So as you can see, I'm using Craft&You design products. So I've got this set of flowers. I'm going to link everything below the video so you can go to the shop and check it out. So I love this flower, and as you can see, I've got 3 flowers already made, shaped, and they look really pretty. I put some pearls in the center. So this is the set of flowers, and then I'm using this frame. I haven't used this one before, so I thought it's a good time to use this frame. And this one is quite tall, so let me tell you, it's 5.5 inches by 3 3/4. So quite a nice size, lovely for some albums or for card making. So I'm using this one, and I'm using Travel Time. This is a brand new collection released only last month, I think. And if you remember, I showed you my DT pack with showing all the papers and elements to fussy cut. As you can see, I've got some elements which I cut out from the sheets from the same collection. The leaves are actually from Boho Baby collection, and there is this nice dessert as well. This is all from Travel Time, all that side, and the leaves are from Boho Baby. So let me put this card together. I've got most of the layers ready, and I just need to add some foam pads to one of the layers. So you can see I actually cut all those elements from one sheet. Even this one is actually from the same sheet. So the first layer, so my card base, that's what I do. I do 10th fold, and this one is 5 3/4 inch. So this one, the layer is this layer is 5.5 inches, and I'm going to add here it flat. The next layer, because this card, let me see if that's the right one, and the next layer will measure 5 1/4 inch. So as you can see, those papers are really pretty, and even if you don't want to do any project which they've got like a travel theme, you can still use those papers. So that's why I was looking for that paper pad, and I was thinking, okay, which papers would be suitable for birthdays? So I decided to take those. So the next layer will be adhered on 3D foam tape. So I also, as always, I'm adding a little bit of glue under that foam tape, just to give it more strength, because I always worry that the foam tape, because of the glue, it's not that strong, and with time I feel that it might dry out. So that's why I always add some glue under my foam tape, and once I release the backing paper, I add a little bit on the top of that foam as well. So you will see that in a minute. And then I roughly know how I want to layer all those elements I cut out, because I already showed her that card, so, and she's happy with the design. So let me, as you can see, I'm adding a few dots of glue on that foam tape, and now I need to adhere it nice and straight. And as always, I'm going quiet when I'm adhering, because I just need to focus. And then I've got that frame, which I thought that I will adhere it to the left of my design, and then that floral composition will be on the right. So this is kind of like my standard layout on my cards, and because of the layers, this card will go into a box. So I haven't done the box yet, but I will do it later. So let me just put this card nice and straight on my mat using the grid of my mat, just to give myself that indication, okay, where should I position this frame. So that's here. Then I've got those balloons. Let me just see if that's how it should be. Okay, so I'm going for it. As you can see, I've got foam pads. I will have foam pads on all those little designs. I need my pokey tool to help me with this foam tape, because this is a thinner foam tape, so that's why it's not that easy to release the backing paper. Come on. It's usually when I'm recording there's always something, but I hope you know by now that it's not that easy. So this one, so I going to use those two hot air balloons, and one is actually adhered on one layer of foam pads, the other one will be adhered on 2 layers, just to give that dimension. And yes, because I don't have to worry about those layers, and I can make it as high as I want. I'm happy with that. I've got this girl and I want to adhere that sentiment here. Maybe I should actually add another layer of foam pads under this one, because the girl is quite high up. So let me add another layer just quickly. And then what I will do, I will add here that sentiment. It's actually a happy 18th birthday and the name of the girl. So again, that's it's really tricky sometimes to put something quite straight, so I'm always like, okay. So I've got this like a basket, and I want her to be like here, and then I think I will add here this one flat. That was the idea, to add here it flat. Let's see if it's looking nice, because I want that dessert to poke out a little bit, so you can still see it a little bit behind her, because it's summertime, just to have fun and enjoy yourself. So this one is fine. So she's sitting here taking some photos, and that basket will go just here. So I like this one already, and now it's time to put those flowers. So let me just keep it here, and I think I will add those on some foam pads as well, not too much, just a little bit to raise it off, just slightly. So this one will go here. Or maybe it should be a bit higher, because I've got that other one. Can I? Yes. So this one will go here, that one will go flat just here, but first I want to put those leaves I cut out. So I've got those leaves. Where is the other one? Oh, yeah. Just so I know where should I put those flowers. So I'm adding this one. I might cut this one a little bit, because even if you fussy cut some elements, you can always snip into them and, you know, make them smaller just to fit your composition. And as you could see, I don't know if you could see it, I was just maneuvering those leaves a little bit, just to give them a little bit more volume. So I'm adding this one here, and those small ones I will just again maneuver those leaves and adhere them here, just to fill up this composition because it's nice to have more, especially if I don't have to think about what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit of glue under here, press it, because I want to put that flower just here. Yes, that's fine. Putting the glue in, and then I'm going to press it, because this flower will be tucked under, slightly under that middle one. So you can see this one looks really nice already. So I was thinking to add this longer leaf just to elongate that composition a little bit. So let me just add this one and press it a little bit just to make it flat, because I'm still going to add some extra leaves and that flower. Yeah, I really love those flowers. Those cutting dies are so pretty, and you can use them with paper, foam. Yes, I should do some vellum flowers. I think that would be nice. And I forgot about this one, so let me just lift off that flower, and I just need a little bit of glue. Yes, that's good. See, that's why I love using liquid glue, because I still got lots of time to adjust if I need to. So I'm using the remaining few leaves I had from that little pile I prepared, and then I'm going to add them here in the corner. And my card is almost done. So I'm really curious, what do you think about this card, about the composition and that collection? See, you don't need to actually use it for like a travel themed projects. You can just find some papers even for just a birthday card. So yeah, I like it, and I really love those leaves. Love playing with the composition and looking and checking, adding bits and pieces. And I think I'm going to use that last one, because if I'm not going to use it, then it's going to be on my desk just lying around, and I'm sure I can use this one. Yes, looks good. And I press the leaf kind of at the end, so the tip will lift off a little bit, which will create this nice looking composition. I've got one more, so let me see where I can add this one. Maybe here. Yes, let's go for it. Yeah, and it's nice. I really like it. What do you think? Let me know, what do you think about this card? What do you think about this composition? Do you like using 3D foam pads to add some layers and depth to your projects? So thank you so much for watching. I will include the playlist for Craft&You design projects. I've done quite a few. I'm on a design team for that brand. It's a Polish brand, and if you want, I will link all those elements, all those items below the video, so you can check it out. And of course, at the end of this video you will find the playlist with all my Craft&You design projects. So thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to read your comments. Give me thumbs up if you like this project, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press that notification bell, so you're not going to miss any new videos. So thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye for now. Hello everyone, it's Monica here, and welcome